Okay guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing my handcuff review. It's fake, but sad. I fixed it. Look, you don't see the thing anymore because I cut it. Let me bring my knife. Here's my knife. Ah, get out. Get off. Get off. Can you get my knife? Oh shit. Let's cut it. Let me see. All the way. Seriously? Okay, so let's cut the thing right here. So see, like this. No? Can you see? Yeah. We're gonna cut it right here. I wanna cut it. It's hard. I got cut once. Don't try this at home, kids. Look, you guys, what I did. I got myself with the knife. Be careful with this. This thing is dangerous. I just got my Presso knife. Don't play with knives, kids. This is not really for kids. I'm all like, so I can't. The only one in my family can get knives. Me, because I'm older than my family. My dad is like a little bit taller, but my mom's a little bit. Just get started. I mean. So I'm sick. Sorry guys about my throat. You guys can't hear me that much. So let me see. You can see here handcuffs. Let me see if I can put it like this, and then you put it like this so you guys can see. Be careful with this knife. Tell your mom, or don't tell your mom, but yeah, they'll get mad at you. So cut it as fast as you can. It doesn't still cut. Oh shit, no, don't tell me I broke it. It's still working. Working the freaking. Okay, so I'm gonna use my real knife. Do you guys hate Musically? Yeah, it's for girls. I got it right here. What the fuck? Oh shit, this thing is really cool. It's a really cool knife. What the hell?
I'm 7. Nice to meet you, dude. Nice to meet you. No, I'm 6. How old are you, man? 6? I'm 7. Nice to meet you, dude. Nice to meet you. Big girl? No, I'm 6. How old are you, man? Okay, let's get one thing straight.
Okay, I think that's almost.
That's mine. Like, okay, it's not official. It probably never be official, but that's mine.
Oh wait a minute, I'm sorry that I said. Like change, they upgrade it. It's still cutting. I need to. Can't get out. It's really look, you can't get out. Look, see. When you have this, yeah, it will escape easily. I need this. Look, right here, no one can get into it, and it still works. Oh shit, and it still works. See? I love these things. These ones are really strong, not like those two other ones.
Girl, tell me why I was cheating in class today, and this girl had the audacity to come up to me and say, "Oh my God, Carlos, you're not supposed to be cheating on your test." Okay, and Veronica, you're not supposed to be cheating on your boyfriend. Boom. Don't think I didn't see you and Justin smushing yesterday after school. Showtime to talk to you like you, girl. Girl,
Oh
tell me why
shit.
I was cheating. Well, now, really.
What? Here it is.
I just did, yo. One of my Christmas jams. 100% one of my Christmas jams.
Oh shit.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ah, where? How do I cut this? Oh, I cut it.
That was the wrong version.
Oh,
Then
it
let's
worked.
try this again. One of my Christmas jams.
Ah, it worked.
100% one of my Christmas jams. Listen, bitch.
Oh,
1,
feels
2,
fine.
3, go.
Yeah, I'm doing good. Nice. Done. I don't fuck with you. You stupid ass bitch. I'm fucking with you. Yes, I am in middle school. I love middle school. I know I hate middle school, but it's not good. I'm done with elementary. I miss elementary. Where's my tape? Oh, here. So you need this? What kind of tape you want? Like duct tape, Gorilla Tape. Those are really strong. But I'm gonna So you got your tape right here, and then you get to. I hate when it does this. Money. Wee! I love this thing. Where's the keys? Hey, where's the keys on my handcuffs? Oh, it's right there. So, got the keys. I got the keys already. And then you got it out. Woo! You might put more if it doesn't work, because I just put 3 on mine. You don't see the big thing anymore, you guys. So yeah, it's gonna be realistic, not that much. Oh my God. Wait a minute. Which one is it? It's this one. I got confused for a while. I'll just see. Is it working? I don't get to. It's really tight. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think so. Put it on ahorita in a minute. Does it fit the key? Oh, it does. Much better than the one that I did. I love this thing. One more tape. I'm sorry guys, because I'm real sick. My baby sister. Hi Yolanda. My baby sister got me sick. She's my sister. She's always in the phone all day. Chasing her boyfriend. She's too old for toys anyways. She's probably 11. Just fine. She's 10 and she's probably in third. She has to be in 5th, but wait a minute. When you're 11, you think so you go to 5th grade, yeah. And then 10 you go to 4th. When I was in 4th, I was 10 years old in that day. And then my birthday comes up and then I'm 11 and then I miss my birthday. In 5th grade, it was my birthday. It was a Friday, so yeah. Now we've got it. Now let's test them on. Let's test them on. Oh shoot, this thing's really cool. Can't get out, and then it took me a little bit, like 2 or 3 minutes. Not 3 hours, but look, see? You can't get away, look. This thing's helped. This thing's helped. You need the keys to open it. You need the keys to open. And then this is how you fix fake handcuffs. Get this handcuffs. These handcuffs are really strong. I'm sorry guys, I can't talk that good. Okay, there you go. And then do the same as the other one. Shit. Oh my god. Yeah, this is it. Holy shit, it took 10 minutes. Yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Catch you guys next time. Peace.